Hey Transformers, so today I want to make a quick video to walk you through the orientation of our transformation program. So as your coach, I'm going to do everything in my power to get you amazing results, and I need you to do three things for me. I need you to follow the meal plan, I need you to do your workouts, and I need you to answer all my messages. Just give me a thumbs up if that sounds fair. All right, perfect. Next, you're going to go into our website. It's called www.ptform.com. Make sure to save this website because you're going to be accessing this regularly. The first button over here, this is live Zoom fitness. So all of your workouts, I want you to prioritize this. So this is our schedule. Now, based on your availability, we're going to hold you accountable to a set schedule. So it might be the mornings, it might be the evenings. So let's just say you're booked with us Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 7 a.m. Make sure to show up to the live workout session at that time because we will be taking attendance and we will expect you to be there. This blue button, you just click join live fitness session. It's going to load up on your computer and then we're going to walk you through step by step all the different exercises. Next, weekly goals. So every week we're going to have a different nutrition challenge. So you're going to watch the video, it's about 5-10 minutes. You're going to let us know if you're going to be doing a level 1 challenge, level 2 challenge, or level 3 challenge. And then also you can make a little comment on the Facebook group so you can see what other people are doing as well. Next, transformation coaching. This is the most important session every single week. This happens Saturday at 8 o'clock, where all of our clients come together, all of our coaches come together, and we're going to be helping you with the mindset that it takes to live a healthy lifestyle, to lose the weight and keep the weight off forever. Because if you don't fix the mindset, then we're never going to hit our weight loss goal and we're not going to be able to keep that weight off forever. We're going to yo-yo up and down with the weight. So we have to make sure we're thinking the right way. So we're going to be giving you tips about mindset, fitness, nutrition, answering all your questions, and setting goals for the following week. All right. Next over here is our recipe and cookbook. So you're going to click that tab over here. We have a weight loss cookbook with over 50 recipes, a vegetarian cookbook, and then also we have cooking tutorials to show you how to cook some of these recipes. Super simple, go through the cookbook, find a few recipes that you enjoy, and then try those out. And the key is we want you to enjoy your food, okay? Because if you don't enjoy it, chances are you're not going to be able to do it long term. So find recipes that you enjoy. All right, so that's pretty much it about the members area. Next, let's open up your mobile app. The first thing is you're going to take a profile picture. So profile picture, bottom right hand side, you're going to hit those three buttons that says more. You're going to upload a profile picture, either take a photo or just upload an existing photo. It's confidential. It's just going to be you and your trainer that's going to be able to see it. And it's nice to have a photo with the name. Next over here, your dashboard is going to be where you're going to be spending the majority of your time. So bottom left hand side, you see this rocket ship. This is your dashboard. Every day you're going to have things to do, okay? So you're going to have a workout. You're going to click this workout. You're going to hit start now. You're going to load up the workout video. And when you're done, very important to hit this button where it says done and then save the workout or mark it as complete. If you don't save the workout, then we don't know if you completed it or not. So make sure every day you're doing your workout videos. And for the live sessions, make sure to prioritize the live sessions as well. All right, next. Take progress photo. So you're going to take a before and after photo, a front, side, and the back. Again, it's confidential. No one else is going to see this. And then also, every day, you're going to hit this button where it says track body stats. Very important to be tracking your body stats every day. This is just a fancy way of saying take your weight. So you're going to hit track. Bottom top right hand side, you're going to enter your weight and then hit save. If you have a Renpho scale, even better, you can input your body fat percentage. Now when you're weighing yourself every day, there will be some fluctuations, so don't be alarmed if one day your weight's going to go up, one day your weight's going to go down. We're going to take the average for the week, and our goal, our target is to lose 1 to 2 pounds every week. You guys starting off will probably lose a little bit more. So just like this graph, some days their weight's going to go down, some days their weight's going to go up, but when you take the average for the week, your weight will trend down week after week. Now, when you're taking your weight daily, there will be some fluctuations depending on your food consumption, your hydration, your bowel movement, your menstrual cycle, your stress level, and your time of day. So to help eliminate some of these weight fluctuations, just take your weight the same place, same time every morning. Next over here is your calendar. So you're going to hit this button here which says calendar. It's the second tab over, and you'll see everything we have planned out for you over the next few weeks. So you're going to see all of these empty circles on the left hand side. Once you complete the item we asked you to do on a daily basis, then there's going to be a check mark, and the clients that get the best results make sure they check everything off for the day. Now, as part of your accountability, if you miss more than 2 days without completing your workouts, we're going to give you a call to make sure to follow up. Now, if you miss the whole week, then as a part of your accountability, we're going to make you do some burpees as well. Now, we don't want to force people to do burpees. We've only had one person do this out of hundreds of clients that we've helped serve now. So if you're struggling with anything, you're struggling with the workout plan, you're struggling with the meal plan, just let us know so we can modify it to make it more suitable for you, for your lifestyle, for your fitness level, because the goal is to make sure that you're able to do this long term, okay? All right, next, you're going to see a private one-on-one chat with either me or your trainer. Typically, we respond in about 24 hours. Different trainers have different days off. If you're working with me, my days off are Saturday and Sunday. I will not be checking my messages. During those days, really important, go to the Facebook group. There you can ask your questions. Our team of trainers will be taking care of you, or other clients or our community will be helping you out as well. All right, in our chat, this is exactly what we want to see. Every day, you're going to go on the scale, take a picture of your weight, and then send it to us. Not only are you going to send us a picture, but remember, you're going to track your weight every day on the app as well. That help us to calculate the average for the week and compare it to make sure you're seeing results. Next, whatever you eat, be brutally honest. Take a picture, and then every day, I want you to send me all your food pictures. Also, include a description of what you ate, and then also write if it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. If you forget to take a picture, no problem. Again, just write me a description of what you had. Very, very important. Now, as part of your accountability, if you miss more than 2 straight days without sending any food pictures, we're going to give you a call, follow up, make sure everything is going well. And if you missed the whole week, either we screwed up as trainers and we didn't make it sustainable for you, or maybe you didn't do your part in sending us the food pictures. As a result, we're going to make you do some burpees. All right, that's part of the accountability. Okay, next you're going to open up the meal plan. So on the fourth tab over, you're going to see a little fork and knife. Open up the meal plan. Now everything is categorized, color-coded to make your life easy. Vegetables is going to be the size of your fist. That's one serving. You can have broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, kale, cucumber, zucchini, bell pepper, celery, onion, mushroom, cabbage, lettuce, whatever you want. The things to avoid is your high carb, starchy vegetables. So for example, like potato and corn, not really a vegetable, more like a carb. So try to avoid this under the vegetable category. Protein. One serving is the size of your palm size, the thickness of your palm. You can have chicken breast, turkey breast, pork loin, lean steak, tuna steak, salmon, whitefish, tofu. Now, if you're a vegetarian, we do have vegetarian options, so just let us know. Things to avoid, bad proteins, is your processed meats. Things like sausages and bacon and hot dogs and pepperonis. Try to avoid these. Carbs, all fruits and berries are carbs. Anything whole grain, brown rice, quinoa, yam, sweet potato, those are all great. The things to avoid is your bad carbs, the cakes, the pastries, the donuts. And then lastly, we have fats. Now, fats, we want to keep this to a minimum because they're very dense in calories. So the quickest way to lose weight is by keeping the fats down. And once you lose the weight, we're going to reintegrate some of the fats back in. Okay? So next over here, you have breakfast, you have lunch, and you have dinner. Breakfast and lunch are going to be exactly the same. You're going to have a serving of green, which is vegetables. You're going to have a serving of blue, which is a palm size of protein. And you're going to have a serving of carbs, which is a scoop. So notice the biggest thing in your plate is vegetables, one fifth. Second biggest thing is protein, and lastly is the carbs. For dinner, you'll notice that there's no carbs at night. This is really important because if you don't burn off the carbs at night, guess what happens? It gets stored as belly fat, and that's not what we want. So breakfast and lunch, have your carbs. Dinner, eliminate the carbs. If you're extra hungry, have more vegetables, have more protein. You can have 2 servings of protein. You can even have 3 servings of protein if you like, if you're extra hungry, as long as you're not having the carbs at night. All right. Next is your weekly grocery helper. So every week when you're going grocery shopping, this is good for one person. You're going to pick 4 to 6 different types of vegetables. You're going to buy about 7 pounds per week. Protein, you're going to buy 6 pounds per week. Carbs and fats usually don't go bad, so just buy it in bulk. When you're cooking, you can bake, steam, boil, grill, barbecue. Try not to deep fry anything. Air fry is okay. Think about air fry as baking as long as you keep the oil down. Now, if you're cooking on a pan or a stovetop, make sure to use a spray, like a Pam spray or your oil mister, okay? Because this much olive oil, 2 thumb sizes, is 240 calories. One spray with like Pam or oil mister is 5 calories. So you're literally saving 95% of your calories from using a spray. You'll lose like 2 to 3 pounds just from using a spray your first month. Next, sauces. These are all low calories or some of them are calorie free. So mustard, hot sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, lemon juice, all great. Things to avoid, your white and creamy sauces like butter, margarine, cream, mayonnaise, Caesar dressing, try to avoid these. If you do like things that are white and creamy, I would recommend plain, low-fat Greek yogurt. You can use it as a dip. You can put it in your salad. You can even put it on top of your salmon when you're baking. It's very versatile. Spices. Now, all spices are 0 calories, so you can go crazy with your spices. Just because you're on a meal plan doesn't mean you don't can't have flavorful food. So you can have like allspice, pepper, cinnamon, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, whatever spice you want, go crazy. The only two things to keep in mind of is salt and sugar. Try to keep the salt and sugar to a minimum or even eliminate it altogether. Drinks. The only drinks I want you to have is water, plain tea, and plain coffee. If you like a little bit of cream and sugar in your coffee, I would recommend putting in some vanilla protein powder to add a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of creaminess instead of the cream and sugar. All right, so that's your meal plan. And then next time we meet, we're going to be updating your fitness plan, updating your meal plan every 4 to 6 weeks. And by the 6th month, we're going to reintegrate some of the cheat meals back in to help you enjoy your meal. All right, that's pretty much how the whole program works. If you have any questions, let me know and we'll be happy to help you out.